From falling icicles to bursting pipes, this chilling weather has got a lot of us making insurance claims. So tonight we ask, do you have enough insurance, and does it have you covered for anything? For instance,
I was parked outside Target, and when I came out to get into my car, I noticed that someone had broken into my car. And when I got in, I realized that some things were missing, including the laptop that I had at the time. And I didn't know if I was insured or not, so I called my insurance agent and found out that this was covered under my homeowner's insurance.
You know, Jack, there are a lot of things that are covered under a homeowner policy that people don't realize.
This is Brian Feldmeyer, who's Ben's insurance agent, and he lost his computer, and actually that's one of the things you said is covered by a homeowner's policy too.
Yes, that and identity theft, which is an important rider to add to your homeowner policy.
But there are limitations on homeowners' policies for personal property you have. For example, I mean, look at this arsenal that Ben has. You can start World War III with this. What are you doing with all these guns? But there is a ceiling, right?
Yes, for guns there is a limitation of $1,000 to $2,500 for theft.
But you can buy more than that.
Yeah, it's the same thing with jewelry. You can buy an additional rider.
More common problem that we had was a leaky pipe in the crawl space.
Mike Gardner is with Gardner Restoration. What happened here, Mike?
Well, cold air came in, we froze up the pipes in his upstairs bathroom, and unfortunately it broke, and then the water ran through the rest of the house.
Standard policies will cover a broken pipe. However, if you want water, sewer, and drain backup or sump pump failure, that's an additional rider that should be added to your policy.
And that brings up the biggest question. How much total coverage do you want to get for your home? Most people, Brian, would think it's just the market value.
That's the biggest misconception out there. You want to insure it for the rebuilding costs by today's labor and materials.
Now, we trust Brian implicitly, but he does seem to be trying to sell us more insurance than you may think we need. So we're getting a second opinion from Tal Moon, another agent. Tal, do I need all this coverage?
It is more coverage, but in the end, it's really just pennies on the dollar, and you get your home replaced like it was before.
wow, if they can fix up my home to look that beautiful, give me more insurance. One last tip, ask your agent for a home and maybe life and health insurance checkup. It's free, and it may save you a nasty surprise.